Hi there everyone and welcome once again to the TrainAid HQ. My name is Nick and in today's video we are looking at the Level 4 Certificate in Education and Training, and we are going to be looking at criteria number 5. This is lesson observations. So once again, do please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel to receive the latest news and updates from the team. To meet this criteria, we are looking for you to have experienced 3 lesson observations. As we know, within the Level 4 programme, you are required to log 30 hours of teaching practice. However, you need to be observed 3 times by a qualified teacher. This qualified teacher should have a minimum of a Level 4 Certificate in Education and Training or higher. So someone with a Level 4, a Level 5 teaching qualification, a PGCE, anyone with qualified teacher status is absolutely fine to conduct the observations. Very important, and also please can you email a copy of the observer's teaching certificate to us so we can save this to your file. So very important that you are observed 3 times, okay? The observation length should be typically an hour as well. So what is an observation? So a teaching observation is an opportunity for the trainee teacher to be provided with feedback ultimately. So in order for you to really grow as a teacher and for you to highlight your own strengths and areas for development, being observed by a colleague, a mentor is going to be absolutely vital for your progress. Of course, it can be quite a daunting experience, but please do not worry. The experience should be there as a progressive one, and that's going to help you in the long term to become a more well-rounded teacher as well. So what is required here? So we do require 3 lesson observations, which you do decide when these observations are. Personally, I would say you should have one at the start of your course, in the middle, and also towards the end of your studies of the Level 4. The lesson observations should ideally be 1 hour, okay? So you can obviously be observed at the start, middle, and also at the end of your lesson. So we recommend that obviously observations should be spaced out, okay, but it's very much down for you to decide when they will be. In terms of the lessons, okay, so as you can see, we have a lesson observation template. You will receive a copy of this in your joining instructions Level 4 teaching course. It's roughly 2 to 3 pages long, and the observer can perhaps sit at the back of your classroom and handwrite out the lesson observation template, or it can be typed as well. So if the observer would prefer to type out the lesson observation, that's absolutely fine as well. Furthermore, are the observation is the observations graded? Well, yes, they are. We use the Ofsted grading criteria. So 1 is outstanding, 2 is good, 3 satisfactory, 4 does require improvement. However, these are just an aspirational grade, they are developmental, and they do not have an impact on your overall course outcome. The lesson observation grades will not show on your certificate as well. So these are just a developmental experience. Some teachers do like a grade, okay, that's absolutely fine. However, okay, if you do not want a grade, that's absolutely fine. Okay, we do not need to see that. It's very much for you and your observer to decide there. In terms of the observer, they can use their own organisation's observation form. So you do not have to use the TrainAid observation grid. If you do have your own internal schools or colleges observation form, fantastic. Please do use that one as well. Okay, that's absolutely fine to do. But we're looking in terms of the level of detail, 2 to 3 pages for an observation report would be fantastic there. But of course, please use your own observation template if you have one. Furthermore, a common question is what should happen if I don't know of a teacher, a fellow colleague who can't observe me due to time pressures or perhaps doesn't have a level 4 teaching qualification, well, Train 8 here at the HQ, we can of course observe a recording of a lesson. Okay, so a 1 hour lesson, this would be £30 including VAT, and we can obviously write up an observation following a recording of your lesson. So do aim for 1 hour, and that will make it easier for the team to write up the observation report as well. And also, can I deliver perhaps my lesson observation online? Does it have to be in the classroom? So the observation is very much down to you. It can be perhaps within a classroom setting. You could of course be delivering a lesson on Teams or Zoom, or perhaps on an online platform. Absolutely fine. Okay, it could also be quite a practical based lesson outside of the classroom. That's absolutely fine as well. If you do have any questions regarding the observation and the format, please do give us a call and we can give you lots of help and advice here. Okay, but all in all, we're looking for 3 separate 1 hour observations, and please do remember to send in a copy of your observer's teaching certificate. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe to the Train 8 YouTube channel to receive the latest updates and alerts from the team. Bye for now.